Okay, so I heard that if someone's shooting at you, you can just dive underwater and the bullets can't reach you. That classic action movie escape. Is that actually real?
This time? The movies didn't lie to you. Get deep enough and water will stop a bullet dead. And here's the part that gets me. The bigger and faster the gun, the better water protects you. A .50 caliber sniper round gives up faster down there than a little pistol bullet does.
Okay, that's backwards. The giant sniper rifle is the safe one?
It comes down to one number. Air's barely there. About 1.25 kilos in a whole cubic meter of it. Water in that same box? 1,000 kilos. Roughly 800 times denser. So the instant a bullet touches the surface, it goes from slicing through open sky to slamming into what is basically liquid concrete.
Right, more stuff to shove through. But that'd slow anything down. Why does it wreck the fast bullet more than the slow one?
Because drag doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Double the speed and the water pushes back 4 times as hard. So a supersonic round doesn't politely slow down, it gets ripped apart. Mythbusters actually ran this, and I went back and pulled the episode because the result sounded too clean to be true. They fired everything up to a .50 cal into a pool, and every supersonic round shattered inside about 3 feet of water.
3 feet. That's barely past arm's reach.
And the why is the cool bit. At those speeds, the water right in front of the bullet can't get out of the way fast enough. It piles up and compresses into a rigid plug. For a split second, it's a solid wall of water. And the force of hitting that wall is greater than what the bullet itself is made of. So the metal loses. It crumples and breaks before it can get anywhere.
Huh. So the speed is the exact thing that destroys it.
Which flips your whole instinct. The dangerous bullet underwater isn't the rifle, it's the slow one. A 9mm pistol round is just poking along, relatively, so it never builds enough force to shatter. It stays whole and keeps sinking. 2 meters down, still going. The gentle one is the one that actually reaches you.
Oh, so the slow little pistol round is the one that actually gets you down there. Okay, realistically, how deep do I need to be?
Less than you'd think. Nobody's firing straight down. The shot comes in at an angle, which stretches the path through the water even more. Mythbusters landed on 3 to 5 feet at a normal angle, and you're clear of almost anything. Get a couple meters down, call it 10 feet, and honestly, you're safe from basically every gun on land.
Noted. For my next dramatic action movie escape.
Ha, okay. But here's the one that actually made my jaw drop. What if the shooter's already in the water with you? Turns out, barely matters. A Norwegian physicist, Andreas Wahl, tested this on himself, stood in a pool, pointed a real rifle at his own chest from a few meters away, and pulled the trigger with a string.
He did what?
I know. But the physics had his back. Underwater, the bullet has to shove the entire column of water out of the barrel before it can leave. And that water weighs more than the bullet itself. So it limps out of the muzzle, travels less than a meter, and just sinks. Touch the water and quit.
So the real takeaway is, if someone's shooting, the pool is genuinely the smart move.
Genuinely. Get a few feet under and let the water do the work. The faster they fire, the faster it dies. It's one of those rare times the action hero is also being a great physicist.
Love that. Okay, if your brain just did the little, wait, really? thing, that's the whole channel right there. Hit like and subscribe. New mind-expanding science every week. We'll see you soon.